How to check Windows version on laptop or PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check Windows version on laptop or PC. There are several ways you can try to check the Windows version on your laptop or PC. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to check your Windows version on your laptop or PC. The first one is by using Windows settings. Simply click on the Start icon on the taskbar at the bottom left, and then from this menu select the Settings option. Once you click on the Settings, you will be taken to the Settings page. Here now you will need to select the System option from the left side, and in this page, here you will need to scroll down until you locate the About section. Simply click on this About option, and then here you'll be able to see different information. Look under the Windows specifications, and then there you will be able to locate the edition, version and OS build of the Windows. Now the second way to check the Windows version on your laptop or PC is by using the Run command. Simply press on Windows and R key from your keyboard, and then a dialog box will appear at the bottom left. In the dialog box you will need to enter the word WINVER. Now press on Enter, and then this will open the About Windows dialog box with the version details. Here you'll be able to see your version. The third way to check your Windows version is by using System Information. For that, you will need to click on the Windows search bar at the bottom left, and there type in MS-Info32. After doing that, you'll be able to see System Information. Click on the System Information icon, and soon after doing that, you will be presented with this System Summary section. Here you can find the detailed information about your Windows installation. So by following these steps, you should be able to check the Windows version on your laptop or PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.